Like me, you're probably sticker shocked at what plant starts are going for as of late. In my locality, we're talking $6 per 6-inch plant. Now I remember a few years back buying the 6-pack plant cells with 6-inch starts for around $2.50, so that's a dramatic change. There's never been a better time to start your seeds and get growing at home. And don't worry, you're not too late. This is a great time to get growing, and I'm going to share with you a way that you can fast track your success here using these Jiffy pods. These are the 36 millimeter. You can get these in small packages, but I like to buy them in bulk for the best price. It comes to about 10 cents per pod. Now this boot tray that I picked up at the hardware store holds around 125 pods, so that's $12.50 there. And if you pick up, let's say 10 seed packs at around $3, that'd be $30, so $42.50. You could be off to the races growing 100 plus plants. This many plants, if you were to purchase them at a nursery, are going to run you upwards of $700. Not to mention that when you grow your own plants from seed, you can grow varieties that you just can't find at your local nursery. I'm excited to grow this 4th of July hybrid tomato, for example, and I've never seen Cape gooseberry starts at the nursery. So all you need to do is hydrate the pods with a bit of warm water and drop your seeds in. A tray like this can sit next to a window in the house, and you could also offer it a bit of supplemental light. And then once you got a plant that's a couple inches tall, you're going to see some roots coming out of the netting, which is biodegradable, and you just plant the whole thing in the ground. Then you can transfer them straight out into the garden. You don't necessarily have to pot up. I learned this through experience. I can bring these out, throw a bit of floating row cover over the top to protect them from the birds for a short time until they get established, and that's all there is to it.